am back, and first in this video right here, I'm going to be showing you guys how I did this cute little hairstyle. At first it was in a middle part with some curls, so I just show you how I transitioned it from the first style to this style. Really easy. So yeah, this is another video for my Nadula hair. Let me get the box. Nadula hair. And this hair is a Brazilian straight 26-inch that I did put 1 curls in. I just used like a regular 1-inch 1 curler, and this hair is a 13x4 lace frontal wig, and it is 180 density. So yeah, if you want to see how I transitioned and got this little cute half up half down style with my little pieces in the front, then keep on watching. Okay, guys, so I'm just going to talk you through this. So you already see me do this style with the middle parts. So what I decided to do, you can just put it half up, half down, but I did want to add these little pieces just to give it that 90s, 80s type feel. And yeah, I think I did a style like this before. I'm pretty sure I have, but yeah, I really like the little pieces in the front. It just gives it a different little flair, change it up a little bit, you know, a little something different or whatever. So I took my little pieces down. On one side, I am going to have to trim it a bit because one side was a little shorter than the other. So I'm just kind of combing the hair backwards to start getting it to go into the ponytail. And then I'm going to part off a little bit of hair on the sides because I don't want to do a full ponytail. Like, I'm going to leave a little bit out on the sides just to make it easier. And you know, you don't have to do as much whenever you leave a little bit down on the sides, but it's still like a full ponytail, but not a full ponytail, if y'all know what I'm saying. So yeah, I'm just leaving a little bit down on the sides, and that way you don't have to worry about like your ear tabs coming up and stuff from you pulling the ponytail tight and all of that. Like, it's just much easier if you leave the sides down just a little bit like this. Like, you don't even have to do a little box in the middle, just leave a little bit down. Okay, just leave a little bit down. So yeah, after I part off that, I kind of parted across the back. And of course, there are tracks on this wig as well. Is this a wig that I made? No, this is a wig that was already made. I don't know. I can't even think right now, y'all. Did I make this wig, or was this a wig that was already made? I don't know. The info will be down below. I'm so confused right now because the hair looks really full and stuff. So I'm wondering, like, did I make this wig? But I don't think I did. I think this is a lace wig. But, you know, lace wigs do have tracks in them unless you have a full lace. So yeah, the info will be down below on this wig. But basically, once I part off the back and everything, I just kind of clip the hair up. And then I'm going to take my hot comb and start combing the hair in the same position that I did like with the regular comb. And this is just training the hair to go up into the ponytail and makes it a lot easier instead of having to like spray it down with water and all that type of stuff. If you have a hot comb, it will make your lace game so much easier. Like, honestly, when I seen people using a hot comb, I'm like, yo, I don't even need this because they doing it to like make their part look defined. I could just use a wand curl and just, you know, flatten out the top and stuff. But trust me, this hot comb, it just changes the game, and it just makes it a lot easier for you to manipulate your hair and change it up and do different things and all of that. So yeah, now I'm going to take a scrunchie, and then I'm going to go ahead and take my clip down, and I'm also going to use some mousse to better lay the hair down as well, because sometimes with a hot comb you will get some flyaways and stuff like that. So I am going to use some mousse just to slick the hair up even more. And this is not like one of those type of mousses that gets hard and crunchy. This is a mousse that you would use on like your natural hair. If you have, you know, if you had like a relaxer or whatever and you're wearing a wrap, or even if you're doing like different kind of like rod curls and stuff like that, this is that type of mousse. Like, it's a soft hold mousse. Like, it's not going to make your hair crunchy or anything like that. So yeah, I love this mousse for my baby hairs, and also whenever I am styling my hair in different ways, it works well for that as well. So yeah, I am going to go ahead and use my scrunchie and go ahead and do my little ponytail at the top. I am going to put it pretty tight so that everything is nice and slick, but it's not so tight that it's gonna raise my lace up or anything like that. This lace laid down very well. I didn't have any issues with it lifting up on me throughout the time. So yeah, I'm just playing with my ponytail. I'm going to fluff it out and everything like that. And then I am going to show y'all some different little things that you can use in your hair for different accessories. I don't know why, but I like to show y'all these options because I feel like it just jazzes up your ponytail if you want to do so. So the first thing I'm going to show you is like some metallic strings. So the first ones are gold and silver. I didn't use them at all, but I just showed them. I don't know, I have these and I haven't tried them yet, but yeah. So now I'm taking some of these little clamps with the bling on them, and I'm just showing you how you can apply these into your hair. You don't have to just wear these with your hair down. And these are really chunky, so I really haven't actually worn these out at all yet, but yeah, this is a way that you can wear them. You can make them kind of look like a little hair accessory in your ponytail. And then here is it with one if you want to just wear the one. And then I also grabbed this really blingy bow that I have. Well, it's like a bow because it has the snap thing in the back, but it's not actually a bow. But yeah, I got this from like a accessory type store. You could probably find these at like beauty supplies and stuff like that. So yeah, I just thought this was cute. It gives it a nice, really cute pop. I ended up not wearing it because I had on, you know, this blingy jewelry and this crazy makeup look. So I just went with the simple route, which was to wrap the hair around the band of the ponytail. But these are some cute options if you want to do it, you know, whatever, to each his own. So now I'm just showing you how I grab a piece of the hair from the ponytail and then I wrap it around the base of the ponytail where the scrunchie is at. And I am wrapping it up higher just to give my ponytail some volume and everything like that. So you can see me going up here and then I will go back down just to end off the bottom piece, and then you can go ahead and pin that into place, or you can continue wrapping it, you know, if you could get it really tight where it's not going to go anywhere. So yeah, this is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I love this little style. I rocked it out. I wore it out. You know, I actually went somewhere. You know, I'm getting out the house and things. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. I love you. Comment, rate, subscribe. You know, text me. Not text me. Comment down below. Leave me some info. Talk to me. I love you guys. Bye. Okay, y'all, so that's it for this hair video. Just really simple. I just really wanted to show you how you can transition and go to another style with the same lace frontal. And I did this without taking it off and reinstalling it or anything like that. I just went from one style to the next. So yeah, I just wanted to show you a quick little easy way to do so. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. Bye guys.